What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Craig with Black Limited X, and in this one I have a really cool announcement for you guys that you are not going to want to miss, so please stick around to the end of the video so you guys can get that. But on to today's video. Is going to be a relatively short one. I got two things to attend to. One of them being, people were asking me what I do for a living, you know, where I work, things of that nature, how I'm able to afford the Jeep and all that type of stuff. I felt it was important to share with all of you. So I am a certified duct tape technician. Yes, you heard that correctly. I am a duct tape technician. It's one of my specialties. I go around the country, from here in Michigan to Texas, Florida, California. I've been to Alaska. I have contracts in other countries where I go around and I test just the quality of the tape. You know, I test the stickiness. You know, I have the employees at that company wrap me up in the tape, and then they bet me $5 if I can get off the wall that they've taped me to. You know, I haven't gotten the $5 yet, but I will get it one day. So that's what I do full time. I've been doing that for maybe 10 years now. It puts food on the table, takes care of the kids, you know, make sure everybody's happy. So I do that, you know, and it pays well. And I also work part-time as a full-time mail carrier for the United States Postal Service. So that's what I do for a living, just in case you guys are wondering. But on to the second part of this video. I had a good friend of mine named Benny. I will leave his link, his name and information down, that you guys can go ahead and check him out. He made me a custom third brake light vinyl with my name Black Limited X on it, and this is pretty awesome. Him and his wife, they did this, so shout out to them. I'm gonna get this installed on the Jeep for you guys. It's pretty cool. I like the quality, the precision, and the cut on this is really nice. They also included a doorknob or the keyhole on the driver's side door. It's like a little vinyl. You can cover it up because we never use the goddamn keyhole, so I'm gonna use this, and they gave me this so I can cover it up. You know, it's black, sort of blend in with the color paint. That's pretty nice. And they also included let me get it, some side marker tint for the side rearview mirrors, on the side mirrors. They provided tint to put over it. This is like I wouldn't necessarily call it a dark smoke, but it is pretty dark. But I feel like I'll still be able to see the turn signal blinking through this. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna get all that on for you guys so you can see how it looks. Also too, I had to replace the fog light, the rear fog reflectors. So I have some new ones coming to those. One of them got ripped. I don't know how, but it got ripped, so I am going to be replacing those, so it's not on in the back. But we're going to go ahead and put this stuff on, see how it looks. So let's check it out. And this is what I was talking about, in case anybody didn't know. I had these tinted, but I removed it because the driver's side, the vinyl got ripped on it, so I removed it completely, and obviously I wasn't going to leave one side on, so I took them both off until the new ones come in. So there's that. All right, here are the side mirrors in stock form. And here they are now with the tint on. Came out nice. You can still see those LEDs flashing through there. And here we got that single keyhole. We're gonna get it covered up. And here it is covered up. Looks nice, blends in pretty well. Here's the third brake light. We're going to go ahead and get this covered up as well. And here it is with the tint on there. I like the way it came out. There's a couple bubbles I got to work out, but that's an easy fix. All right, you guys, now that everything is on the Jeep, I love the way everything turned out. I want to give a big shout out to my guy Benny again. I'm gonna leave his information down below for you guys to check out. Hit him up for any of your custom vinyl work. He'll get you together. Now, on to our last part of the video, you guys. This is more of a pre-announcement, but we are almost at 1K subs. We already got 1,000 followers on Instagram, but once we hit that 1K subs on YouTube, we will be doing our very first giveaway. Yes, I am not going to give away any details, so please share if you guys want to be a part of that. Let's get to that 1K subs, and once we hit it, we'll go ahead and get it done. See you then.